Hey! Greetings to the viewers. In this video, we are going to see some general guidelines to be followed by pregnant mothers before taking tablets or any medicine. Always consult with a healthcare provider before taking any medication during pregnancy. Inform your healthcare provider about any medical conditions you have, including allergies and any medications you are currently taking. Read the label and packaging carefully before taking any medication and follow the instructions provided by your pharmacist. Avoid using any medication that is not specifically recommended by your healthcare provider. Avoid taking any medication during the first trimester of pregnancy when the fetus is developing rapidly. Some medications that are generally considered safe during pregnancy include prenatal vitamins and other medications. However, it is important to consult with your healthcare provider before taking any medication. Illicit drugs, such as cocaine and heroin, can cause serious harm to a developing fetus and should be avoided. Some over-the-counter medications, including aspirin and ibuprofen, may be harmful during pregnancy and should be used with caution. Overall, it is important to speak with your healthcare provider about any medications you are taking or considering taking during pregnancy to ensure the safety of both the mother and the developing fetus. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.